Respected Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, Honorable Minister Shri Ravi Shankar Prasad ji, honorable guests, ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to each and every one of you. In 4 short years, the Indian Mobile Congress has grown enormously in prestige and impact. 1. As many as 300 million mobile subscribers in India are still trapped in the 2G era. Urgent policy steps are needed to ensure that these underprivileged people have an affordable smartphone so that they too can benefit from direct benefit transfer into their bank accounts and actively participate in the digital economy. 2. India is today among the best digitally connected nations in the world. In order to maintain this lead, policy steps are needed to accelerate early rollout of 5G and to make it affordable and available everywhere. I assure you that Jio will pioneer the 5G revolution in India in the second half of 2021. It will be powered by indigenous developed network, hardware, and technology components. Jio's 5G service will be a testimony to your inspiring vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat. 3. I can say with utmost confidence that 5G will enable India to not only participate in the fourth industrial revolution, but also to lead it. Jio Platforms, with its family of over 20 startup partners, has built world-class capabilities in artificial intelligence, cloud computing, big data and machine learning, Internet of Things, mixed and virtual reality cloud, and blockchain. We are creating compelling homegrown solutions in education, healthcare, agriculture, infrastructure, financial services, and new commerce. Each of these solutions, once proven in India, will be offered to the rest of the world to address global challenges. 4. As digitization of the Indian economy and Indian society picks up speed, the demand for digital hardware will grow enormously. We cannot rely on large-scale imports in this area of critical national need. This is our chance to create history. Let us do it. Let us do it together under the leadership of our Prime Minister. I wish all of you the best of health and a happy new year in advance. Thank you.